Some of our customers think they know a thing or two about cyber, but your average end client, um, they just have cyber hunger. To be more specific, sometimes they feel like they should be doing something about the fact that they feel a little unsafe, and sometimes they don't feel like they should be doing something about it. So either it's because they think there's pressure on them, or they don't think there's pressure on them, or they think they're at the right level of safety, or they don't think they're at the right level of safety. So when you're in the sales world, and you're sizing for your clients, you really need to have some context there with what are they feeling right now. And I say feeling because if you're working with a business that has a really strong enterprise risk framework, and they run off of annual assessments of all the areas of their business, and they have KPIs and metrics, and they bring in auditors in all sorts of areas. They're maybe going to be calculating their way into their cyber investments, but most organizations, it's from the gut, right? Like the business owner or the contact with the client, they inform themselves as best they can, and then they make a decision. And so, in any case, um, if your client is in that space, right, and they're thinking about how hungry they are, how much security they want, this is about the level of complexity that they have in them.